Today's topic is historic general meaning and legal definition of company.
Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. So, in my last video, we discussed about different types of business entities and we came to know that company is a kind of business entity. And in today's session, we are going to discuss the meaning and definition of a company, from where the word company came, then what is the meaning of a company, and what is the legal definition of the company.
So, friends, firstly let's understand from where the term company came. See, the term company is derived from two Latin words. Two Latin words. Which two Latin words? Cum, punish. Cum means with or together. Punish means bread or meal. If we combine these words, it becomes companies, and its meaning becomes having meal or bread together. So we can say company is an association of persons who took their meals together. See, in old times, people used to sit under the tree. They used to have their meal together, and they used to discuss the business ideas. So from there, the term company is generated. So this is the historic meaning of a company. So friends, let's discuss general meaning of company. See, generally company means incorporated association of person. See, association means aggregation or collection of individuals, means coming together. Now, incorporated means law has provided it existence. It means it is having a legal identity. Now, persons can be natural or artificial. See, natural persons means all the human beings like you and me. Artificial persons means entity other than a natural person, obviously, created by law and recognized as a legal entity having a distinct identity. So, what are the examples of it? Company, firm, trust, LLP. It means natural and artificial. Both persons can incorporate a company by coming together. Okay. Now again, association can be incorporated or unincorporated. Again, incorporated association is a single person distinct from the individuals constituting it, whereas unincorporated association is a mere collection or aggregation of individuals. Again, incorporated associations owes its existence either to a special act of parliament or to a company legislation. So what are the examples where it is owned by special of act of parliament? CR institutes, ICSI, ICAI, ICWI, and other like LIC. Then company legislations means all the companies incorporated under Companies Act or any previous law. All companies means, for example, Reliance Industries, TCS, Tata Motors. We have lots of examples of it. Now, unincorporated association means mere aggregation of individuals. So, and trading partnership, which is governed by Partnership Act, is an example of unincorporated association. So, we can say natural or artificial persons coming together and giving a entity, a legal identity, that is company. So this is the meaning of company. So here comes our important topic, that is legal definition of company. See, Companies Act 2013 governs company. So definition is defined under section 2 clause 20 of Companies Act 2013. See, I am reading it as a section 2 clause 20. Many of us make mistake in reading like section 2 subsection 20, but section, subsection and clause are different. See, clauses are independent of each other and not correlated, whereas when the parts of sections are interrelated, we call it subsection. Since all the definitions are independent, that's why we use clause here. See, generally section 2 of all acts defines definition, so always read it as a section 2 clause 20, according to which company means a company incorporated under this act or under any previous company law. See, which act is prevailing right now? Companies Act 2013. So it means any company which is incorporated, registered under Companies Act 2013, or Indian company, or under any previous company law. Which previous company law means? Indian Companies Act 1956, 1913, 1882. See, in 2013, old Companies Act, that is Indian Companies Act 1956, was repealed by Companies Act 2013. So this is the legal definition of a company.
I hope now you understood the concept of company, meaning and definition. So if you have any queries, do mention it in comment section. Do like, subscribe my channel. Stay tuned, stay updated. Thank you.